Hello and welcome to Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Wilson. Thank you for stopping by today. Take a look at our 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the limited 80th edition Sun and Sound package, and it is 4x4. It is a Carfax one owner, and it has also had its regular oil changes, so you know it's been well kept. You've got remote start and you have power liftgate. Plenty of storage area, golf clubs, groceries, whatever you need to toss in. Nice leather seating. You do have air vents for your back seat passengers. Power driver's seat. There's your 4x4 controls. You got dual temperature controls, built-in navigation, along with Sirius XM radio. And there's your miles at 37,734 right now. Now there are a lot of options on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. So why don't you take a few minutes, stop by. We're at Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, located at 3700 Raleigh Rd Parkway West. Thanks for the time. We'll see you soon.